Suppose lifetimes of bulbs are normal with mean 56 hours, standard deviation 3.3. What proportion will last more than 61 hours? So mean 56, standard deviation 3.3, and more than 61. (56), 3.3, and greater than 61. 0.0649, 0.0649. And I don't see any difference in the remaining parts. So I'll just skip that. Find Z alpha. So remember we talked about this before, that alpha, if they write Z alpha, then alpha means area to the right. So they're telling us area to the right is 0.18 because alpha is 0.18 and you have to find the Z. So area to the right is 0.18. So this is the area box. And when you're doing Z, then the mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. And so the Z is 0.92. Okay. What's the Z score for a blood pressure of 140? So we already know the Z score formula. If you remember, Z is X minus mean over standard deviation. So in this case, X is the 140 because X is always the value about which the question is asked. The mean was 116 and the standard deviation is 15. So that is how much? 24 over 15, which is 1.6. So 1.6. And if the blood pressure has normal distribution, what proportion suffers from high blood pressure? So high blood pressure, they're saying a reading of 140 is high blood pressure. So if you have 140 or more, it will be high blood pressure. So mean is 116, standard deviation 15, and we're looking for greater than or equal to 140. 116, 15, and greater than or equal to 140 will be the high blood pressure percentage. So the percentage is the proportion is 0.0548. 0.0548. And now between 104 and 140. So between 104 and 140, 0.7333. And find the 90th percentile of the blood pressure readings. So remember, 90th percentile means 90% are below that mark, and below means on the left. So 90% are below the mark. So go to standard, change the area to the 90%. So that's 0.9. And below the mark means you're on the left, right? Below the mark. So remember, percentile should always be a figure like this, where you are calculating the area on the left. Below and left are the same thing. So it's 135.22. 35.